We wave the bolt using the magnet. We wave the magnet 3 times over the bolt, which is inserted in the tensile test rig, and we start calibration. Calibration is started by doing 3 shakes. So we increase the pressure up to the approximately maximum level. We dwell on it for a few seconds and then drop the pressure. And we repeat that process 3 times. So that's the second time we are increasing the pressure. After doing that, we hold the load for a short while and then repeat this 3rd time. All of the pressure application, dwelling, reading, controlling the pump, reading the pressure from the pressure transducer, and reading the load from the calibrated load cell is done fully automatically. So this is the end of the 3rd shake. After the 3 shakes, we are ready to proceed with the final calibration. So we do that in 5 steps. This is the first step. Second step, we dwell on the loads, read the values, go for the next step. And the next one, which is the 4th step. And finally, we go for the 5th step of calibration. The accurate value of the final calibration level is not that critical. We just read those values, reduce the pressure, and then after calibration, within just a few seconds, the system automatically inserts all the values which are read, producing the PDF ready, full report, ready for submission. So that's our new volume produce bolt calibration test rig.